Southwest 1844, taxi to parking this frequency via Golf and Golf 2. Have a good night.
Golf 2 to parking this freak, Southwest 1844.
Do you know what gate by any chance?
Say again?
Do you know what gate you're going to?
Yes, sir, we're going to gate 12.
Alright, thank you.
South 277, return to base.
South 277, thank you. Big D 336 traffic you're following is about 8 miles east of you, turning westbound to Southwest 737 at 2,500.
Looking for traffic, Big D 336. Traffic inside, Big D 336.
Big D 336, follow him. Cleared visual approach runway 35 right and cleared to land 35 right.
I follow him for 35 right and clear to land, Big D 336.
Big D 336, caution, wait turn out.
Big D 336.
Southwest 277 traffic about 6 west of you, turning eastbound will be a caravan, correction, a twin Cessna following you to the airport.
I'll be looking south 277.
American 1450, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, American 1450.
Big D 653 traffic, you're following a twin Cessna about 3 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound 2,000.
Inside, Big D 653.
Big D 653, follow him and runway 35 right, cleared to land.
Alright, cleared to land behind company traffic, Big D 653.
Big D 336 traffic, about 5 miles east of you, southbound twin Cessna following you to the airport.
Big D 336.
American 1450 flighting 180.
180, American 1450.
Southwest 277 taxi to parking this frequency via Golf and Golf 1.
Golf 1, thanks, Southwest 277.
Southwest 277, just a heads up, all the gates appear to be occupied at the moment.
Alright, we're giving them a call, thanks.
Hey, Graham, we're going to gate number 3 there for 277.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Austin approach, good evening, Centimeter 5 is with you. Out of 7,000, discretion 6, we have Lima.
Centimeter 5, Austin approach, expect a runway 35 right.
35 right.
Traffic. Traffic not available.